Alam mo, Doc, yan ang matagal lang hinahanap niya, Andy Sigel, yung aggressiveness and explosiveness going to the basket. Finally, he shows it with this. Pick and roll play, and perfect pass, and the good Giants meet in the air. Andy Sigel.
Tie it. This is where the substituting should come in.
Sigel with a surprise jumper.
See the help position Oliver's going to give. Inside, Jakes gives help.
Jakes was right there, but the ball is put in after John the J. Good rebound by his high school teammate.
Kung hindi man niya sinushoot, maganda yung mga assist niya.
Swallow to Andy Sigel for the slam. Partner si Mario Aquino stayed behind, did not.
Sila, they got stung by their previous defeat.
Andy Sigel!
First line, Jakes comes over, surrounded. Missed shot.
Sumakay ka ba? First and third. Whoa! Isa naman! Ang nakaisa kay Marlo Aquino, kanina sabi niya, nasapal mo ko ngayon. Tingnan natin kung pigilan mo ito.
Ano kaya nalibre siya doon dahil may double team. Ayan yung taktak ni Andy Sigel.
Ang nakita niyo doon yung setup.
Sigel, quick turnaround. Sigel offensive rebound. And Sigel, 1 minutes and 16 pa na natitira sa first quarter. Ang mapataas ng head kiss. And it's back. Again, beyond the arc. No, rebound to Sigel. Corey Bragg, tumalaksak. Extra pass now for Sigel. Sigel, in base.
Sorry natin, yung pagkakatapal kanina kay Coach Reed, yun, sa ibabaw na ibabaw.
Talaga, sa ibabaw na naman.
Tumara dyan naman si Boyet Fernandez, hindi makatira. Tumara inside to Andy. Sigel.
Kalima na sa player, and Mark Galan being the only substitution made here. Andy Sigel on asset na wala mo. 3 seconds na rin natitira eh. And here,
Karamihan niya nanggagaling dito kay Valdavid.
Pumoporma, kinariba pa. What a slam jam, that was a no-hit now. Para sa Alaska after falling behind initially by 4. Nice. Oh, Sigel.
Sigel has 2 stop shots in this ball game.
Nang huli yan para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Wilson to Andy Sigel. Oh! Not scored, pero his presence is still felt because of those rebounds. Andy Sigel, he's the main man of offense. Yerofkin nandun. Andy Sigel goes up.
Ang gandang option nun.
Sabi, double team. Ano kaya nalibre siya doon dahil may double team. Ayan yung taktak. Andy Sigel.
Andy. Milo, inside pass by Lassie. Hand off to Sigel.
that was 6 out of 23. Ito 9 out of 14.
Ganda ng pasa na yan. Eksakto.
Siya rin yun.
Cariaso. Oh! Ito na naman.
Wala na siyang habol sa bola, but still, hindi niya
Oh, nice pass by inside to Andy Sigel. Yes.
Ang ganda ng
At the high post for Corey Bragg. Handoff. Nice.
This is Anto Siloksin. Pinuwersa sa
Sigel to another kung ika-count yun. Fernandez off his team. Andy Sigel lets it fly.
at this point. Eric Altamirano na. Lead. Iwit link. At ito, count.
Double team. Ayan yung taktak ni Andy Sigel.
Ang nakita nyo doon yung set.
Castillo gets it to Andy Sigel. A no-fair slam.
And limit Alaska to 1 shot.
That's what the coaching staff is looking for from Andy Sigel before.
Pumasok lang ang tira. Yun ang ano. Pero pumapasok na ngayon. Ito yung low post ni ano.
3-point play. Bakit yung kanyang mid-second? Ayun. Gumagalaw sa Chris Volado.
Double D. Cariaso dropping to Sigel. Sinabi ni Double D. Cariaso dropping to Sigel. Sinabi mo kanina yung option.
Importante rin yun.
Cariaso. Oh! Ito na naman si...
Ito yan para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Tignan natin si Sigel. Patay si Sigel.
Mali dito yung boxing out eh. Nakalimutan nila. Pag si Mando Aquino, Patrick Brad. Short. Andy Sigel
Shot ni Andy Siegel kay Marlo Aquino.
First and third. Whoa! Isa naman ang nakaisa kay Marlo Aquino.
Dropping to Siegel. Sinabi mo kanina yung ops.
Ni Andy Siegel.
Ang nakita nyo doon, yung setup.
Importante rin yun.
Carriazo. Oh! Ito na naman si Siegel. And Siegel has two.
Ginebra.
Mali dito yung boxing out. Nakalimutan. Sakay. Regis point. Eric Altamirano. That's a lead. Ganda ng pasa na yan. Eksakto. Tingnan natin.